Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to clear your cache on Chrome on your laptop or PC. So make sure to stick around to the end to get all the steps in order to succeed. So currently we're on Chrome and we're going to go to the top right corner where we have the three dots. We're going to tap on it and we're going to look for delete browsing data. You can either do this or click on Control, Shift and Delete. When you do that, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to have the pop-up to select what you'd like to delete. Now you have the option to delete your cache images and files, and this is already ticked. Now, if you want to delete only this, you have to uncheck the other options. And then you're going to select the time range. If you want to delete for the last hour, 24 or 7 days, you can do that, or 4 weeks, or all time. If you want to do that, you can select all time, and this will delete all the cached images from the beginning of your use of Chrome. Now, when everything is checked out, you can go over to delete data and click on it. When you click on delete data, you can see that it is all deleted. So this is how to clear your cache in Chrome on laptop.